folks, how you doing today? So what we're offering up is a 1920s Mills operator's bell slot machine. This was probably produced between about 1920 and about 1925. I think that's the period of time. This is the earlier model with the round glass. The later models, when you got into the poinsettias, etc., and even some of the operator's bells, they went with a flat glass here. I think this is a very desirable, beautiful front. As well as we took it completely apart as always. We refinished the wood. I sent all the castings out. I had them done in an antique copper. As you know, I'm always trying to do added value and do something to make them look cooler. So I did some bolt-ons. It's like putting wheels and tires on your car, makes it look better. So I added a nice set of feet here, as well as I added this beautiful plate 5 cents top sign. I did everything in antique copper. This is the original glass here. It's the original 10 reel tapes. This is a 10-stop machine. It's the earlier machine. I think they're quite quintessential, these early ones. It really looks like an antique slot machine, especially the way I did it in the antique copper. So let's give it a little try here. The mechanism has been completely gone through. Everything's been taken down, re-lubed, re-greased. We'll give you a picture of that. This is the way these early ones played. Remember, this is 1920s technology. See if we can hit a winner here. Plays nice and smooth. Oh, we missed. Yeah, this is a really cool machine. If this doesn't look like a nice antique slot machine, there aren't any. Boom. Okay. It pays up to 20 coins, as you see. It's got a nice original back door. Okay. As you see, the mech is beautiful. It's been completely gone through and runs great, as well as it has a nice original cash box. So this is a super nice example of a very early classic antique Mills slot machine. It's beautiful. Love the antique copper, love the feet, love the sign. Anyway, if you want it, Jeff will get it boxed up, crated up, we'll get it shipped out to you. It's a really cool machine. Your friends will love it. And this is a player. You can play this machine. It's a good running slot machine. Anyway, what do you think?
I think if you're looking for a great slot machine, this is the way to go.
Yeah, Doug.
Doug.
Shout out to Doug.
Yeah. There you go, Doug. You're making us make our listing make sense. Don't let it get away.